How to fix game not visible in Google Play Store on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on this profile icon. After click on this profile icon, scroll down to and click on settings. Now in Play Store settings, click on family and parental control is here. So you will see apps and game is here. Click on apps and game and enter your password. Click on this tick icon, enter your pin. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix game not visible in Google Play Store on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.